It is Sunday, and as usual, we started by closing last week's vlog because I forgot last night again. Well, didn't exactly forget. I just got really busy. Anyway, that's okay. I spent the day babysitting. Well, Bob and I both. We babysat grandson and granddog while the kids tried to move most of the last of the stuff out of their old house into the new house. They do have 2 weeks after closing to get everything out, but time's a ticking. And tomorrow morning, Bob's going to go help them clear out the garage, mostly. And I will be babysitting again while daughter, son-in-law, and Bob go do that. And then afterwards, we'll have a barbecue because it's Memorial Day. And in between all of that stuff, I will be working on my bald eagles because I want to get these done first before I start anything else. Do I have ideas for other stuff? Of course I do. And I've got piles. And we still haven't finished the paintbrush sculpture. But I need to finish these. So anyway. Yeah. We're going to go have dinner with my cousin and his wife and their kids. We will be leaving in a few minutes. I am just waiting for a load of laundry to finish so I can get stuff in the dryer and or hang it up. And then we're out of here and off to their house. All right. I'll be back. Okay, guys. It is almost 5:30 on Tuesday, May 26th, the end of a babysitting day. I didn't pick up the camera at all yesterday. The day was spent with the family and barbecuing and all those kind of things. And yeah, I did get eagle number 3 done and eagle number 4 started. I plan on getting him finished tonight. I got some more brown yarn in via Amazon today. Hopefully it's a close enough right color. Each eagle's like its own color of brown. None of them are the same, which is fine. Anyway, and I just got the vlog edited and scheduled. So anyway, I have a flash drive with some sewing patterns I downloaded. I've got to get those to the copy store, well, the office supply store to get them printed, which is cheaper than doing it at home. And I have to go there anyway because I need printer ink and packing tape. So that will be tomorrow or Friday. And I have a few more things coming in that I've ordered because I wasn't sure when I was going to get the car back. So we'll see. I'm going to chill for a minute and drink some water. I've hardly had any water today. I was too busy chasing after the grandson. So I need to drink some water and I need to just relax for a minute and then go downstairs and start getting ready for the evening and working on eagle number 4. I'll be back. Hey guys. All right. It is Wednesday the 27th. It's the end of the day. Started out the morning with counseling. That's always fun. I mean, it's a good thing. I need to do it, but yeah, it's still stressful. Anyway, did that. Went and ran a few errands. I had a $5 voucher at Michael's, so I got a basically free ball of yarn. I needed dark brown yarn because, as you know, I've been making eagles. I'm seeing my dad and 2 of my siblings and their families for 4th of July. So as has been usual for me in the last year or so, I make at least every household an amigurumi. And because it's 4th of July, we're doing bald eagles. And so I have 5 of them done. I need to make 2 more. The eagle pattern is not mine. It is an Etsy pattern. I'll link it down below. I'm going to put some kind of directions for how to do the hats over on, I just realized I forgot the blue band on this one. I need to fix his hat. I'll put the directions for the hat and the scarf over on my Patreon. So anyway, I gotta fix him. It won't take but a minute. I'll be back. Okay, eagle with missing hat band is fixed. So we have 5 eagles. I need 7 So, I'm gonna make 2 more. And yes, if I can fit them in here, I'm gonna bring them in this case. This is a case I carry art things and stuff around with me sometimes when I'm traveling. I have a thing for cool bags and suitcases, in case you didn't know. This is one of 2 leather vintage suitcases I have. So we'll see if they all fit. Gotta make them first. All right, now it's time to tackle my laundry pile. I won't show you, it's disgusting. It's clean, I just have to put it away. All right, I'll be back. Hello everybody, it is Saturday morning. I know it's been a bit since I picked up the camera. I just have been focusing on life and things, and it's not that I haven't been creative, I just haven't been picking up the camera. I did make another bumblebee turtle. Yes, bumblebee turtle. It is an Etsy pattern. I will try to remember to link it down below. If I forget, somebody remind me. My dad sort of absconded with the last one and took it home to Iowa with him. He's kind of liking my amigurumis, I think. And so I made a new one. This is him. So cute. And I have a bowl of bumblebees over here. And then this morning it's been nothing but chores. Mr. Bob was out doing some yard work. I've been working on laundry, dishes, a couple of repair things in the master bathroom. No repair. Recaulking some parts of the shower, stuff like that. I got a piece of dried caulking on my fingernail. Anyway, Mr. Bob is off to help the kids, hopefully for the last time, to move the rest of their stuff out of the old house. They have to be completely out by Friday, this coming Friday. So hopefully that can get done. And so he's going to go do that. I'm probably going to head over to the thrift store. I have 2 bags of clothes I need to drop off. I probably should get out of the house a little bit and go walk around rather than do what I'm tempted to do, which is just park my ass in park my butt in a chair and just sit and crochet all day or draw or something. So we will probably go do that. I also got my shirt wet working on the bathroom, so it's drying. I'm damp. All right. That's it for the minute. I'll let you know what I get up to. Hey guys. All right. So when I was out thrifting, I did go thrifting. I already put them away. Let's see. I found 2 of each of these colors of cotton yarn. This one is sugar and cream. This one is lion brand cotton. And they were less than $3 each. That's a good deal. And then I got some books. They're downstairs. But I also found this little planner. And it was from a culinary student. I know because she left her business cards in there. Diane, you left your business cards in there. Anyway, that's okay. I threw them out. We're not going to go any farther than that. It had all the papers in it, which I've already taken out. I saved one for holes. So I can mark the holes. And then it had a ruler, which I left in here. This little flap has a pocket, but it also lifts up and has loops. And there's a ruler in here too. I have this idea inspired by a photo of a product that's for sale out there. And I will, when I do the video for this, I'll link it for a travel art kit. Now, do I need another travel art kit? No. But am I going to make one anyway? Yeah, probably. I enjoy making them. So I got that. I got my second to last Woobles kit done, which was this little thing from Bluey. And bagged up some yarn to do a Snoopy and a Woodstock. And I don't even know at this point if did I show you guys what I got at the estate sale? Hold on. Sampler. So daughter and I went to an estate sale yesterday I found this hand stitch sampler, wadded up in a bag, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I think I'm going to actually frame it. I also got a tablecloth, real pretty, and the sampler came with these other two. If anybody knows what that says, let me know, because I have no idea. And then I also got this bag of pre-cut hearts. The person who passed did a lot of embroidery and quilting and things, so very happy to have these and to be able to make something useful and pretty out of them. Anyway, home from helping the kids again get what is hopefully the last of their stuff out of the old house and into the new one. I do think they were semi-successful, and I'm gonna go downstairs and finish some chores like laundry and that sort of thing, and then we'll see where the night takes us. All right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. We were relaxing with dessert and coffee after dinner with the kids, and I got a call from my niece who lives in Washington State. She and her wife are stuck without keys, so we're headed to go pick them up and take them home.
In downtown Portland.
In downtown Portland.
Mm-hmm.
Speed and red light camera ahead.
So yeah. I was working on a doily pattern, Aunt Lydia's wisteria doily pattern. It's over on Yarn Inspirations. It's a free pattern. I got a little bit stuck on row 4, I think. 4 or 5. 4, where the picots are. Anyway, I'm not going to be able to figure it out now, because I'm going to get home and maybe watch another video, maybe. I don't know. They live an hour away, and then it's an hour to get back.
We'll be home around midnight.
Yeah. But we're helping them out, and that's, you know. Anyway, good thing tomorrow's Sunday. We can sleep in. I'll be back. All right, so it is 11:27 p.m. Got our niece and her wife back to their house in Washington State, and back to Portland with the car key, the spare, and they're in their car headed home, and
left lane to turn left on North Victory Boulevard.
And so are we.
Yeah.
It's late. Are we gonna go straight to bed when we get home? Probably not. I don't know. But anyway, that's all right. I'm glad we were available to help them out.
Yep, I'm sure they're glad too.
Yeah. Now I am working on the wisteria doily. I'm trying to make it. I said that to you guys a minute ago.
Then use the right lane to turn right to I-5 South.
I am kind of stuck at one part. It has a lot of stitches or stitch patterns in it I have either not done before or not done in a long time. So it's a challenge,
Use the right lane to turn
but
right
one I'm
to
looking forward
I-5
to.
South.
So we'll work on that. That'll be next week. And for this week, I think we're done for the week. And because it's like almost midnight, and yeah, but I squeezed in what I could when I could, and that's all I can do. So anyway, if I can do it, you can. And I hope you guys had a great week. Again, if you have questions, comments, or concerns, please do leave them down below. I do reply to everything. And go out and do something nice for yourself, because you deserve it. And I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.